What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve another Vulnhub machine called Fristileask. As always, I've just prepared the environment here and everything is ready to begin our work. I just want to scan the network for the IP address available on this machine. I use ARP-scan and it just reveals the IP address of the target machine. As we can see here, it's 192.168.189 and 128. This is the IP address of the victim. Here we can mention the IP address just like that, and we can nmap scan the IP address of the target. I just use nmap tag p tag, and this is the IP address. I use tag v for verbosity, and let's see what we can find on this machine here. As we can see, this is nmap scanning the all ports. Tag p tag just does this, and we found port 80 open on this machine. In the meanwhile, scanning the target, I can go to the actual IP address on port 80 and see what's going on. Yes, this is the first page of Fristileask's motto. Its motto is keep calm and drink Fristi. And that's it. Just using port scan here, just goes for scan timing. I pause this one and tag P port 80, some common ports, port 22, 21, 80, 80. And let's just do that for now. Tag V, tag ON, tag SC, tag SP, after that tag ON, nmap.out, and at last the IP address of the machine. I just use that, and in the meantime I can check the page source here. Welcome to Fristileask, a quick hack me VM by this user. Our goal is to get UID to root and read the special flag file. Time frame should be doable in 4 hours. Oh, that's too long. I hope it doesn't take that long. 4 hours. And we can see a state filtered for port 21 and 22, but port 80 is open. I just found 3 disallowed entries in robots.txt, cola, cc, ampere. And all we have found, port 8080, is filtered too. So another thing we can mention is this directory. Here we can see the actual image, keep calm and drink Fristi. Let's drink Fristi together. You can find 2 images here, one this one and another one is this image that says this is not the URL you were looking for. memgenerator.net. Actually, we can see what metadata is available on this one, and I just wget to fetch the image and download on my local machine. We have this one here, exif tool, can show us something useful. This file size is 108 kilobytes and no comment here. I can use binwalk tag E, tag run as equals root, and we can see that this one is just an ordinary JPEG image data. That's it. So we can confirm that by looking with file binary here, and this is just an ordinary JPEG image. I don't need these ones, and let's go to see robots.txt. Robots.txt here. Not just type txt. Cola, cc, and beer is just open. I copied these directories here, and cola, cc, and beer. Let's navigate to these 3 directories and see what happens. If we look at them, one of them was cola. We just get the same image we found earlier. Another one is cc and beer. nothing here, and beer URL not found. That's right, I just used 2E, not beer. Okay. We just get the same image here, all these 3 directories navigating us to this silly and crazy image. We don't need that. So we can do another thing and just let's enumerate the directories on this machine. I can use a lot of tools like FAF, like GoBuster. I go for GoBuster here, GoBuster dir. Actually, we can use share, roll this, here your booster, and use this medium list here. Tag U can be actually this IP address from here, and just put here. We go for directory enumeration, fuzzing what's going on this machine. We can find image beer. We found these 2 directories earlier, and open tab, but we just get errors here. Stop that for a minute. Connectivity to this machine must be we cannot actually ping this machine with less connectivity is because due to our fuzzing. So I just fix it and come back. Okay, we just use another tool for directory enumeration here. I just don't want to use GoBuster, maybe it's mess up with the target. I use FAF for this one. Same word list. And I just want this one here, tag you 1 to 8, and just want to fuzz here. Yep, that's right. So just the fuzzing is so fast because just messed up target again. I think it's so fast, and maybe the target machine cannot handle it, and just connection to that one. Let me see. Yeah, it's due to our fast enumeration because the target maybe cannot handle these amounts of requests and just hangs up and cut the connection. I just fixed that again. Yeah, I thought that this is due to our fast request sending to the target, and that was right. I just checked that we can use another method, and this is we have the ping option here, and we can use our previous command but use tag rate and send only 1000 requests per second and see what happens next. This time I don't think that we get the same trouble here. I just think that sending too much requests to the target which just hang the system and cannot work, but sending 1000 requests per second is just fair. I open another tab here, and actually it is good that we saw this problem here on targets with low resources as this one, because this is just vulnerable target for learning purposes. I don't give it so much resources, RAM, CPU for this one, and we can see that sending too much requests just gets the system hangs and some kind of DOS, and system cannot respond. But this one is good. I think rate 1000 is just good, and we let the FAF do its work. We could do the same thing with GoBuster, and there's no difference. It has a limitation for sending requests, but FAF is just using tag rate. Okay, now that we have nothing else except port 80 on this target machine, I want to wait for our enumeration and directory fuzzing and see what's going on this one, because we have nothing else here. For example, no docs, no help, no admin, no WordPress, nothing. We have nothing here, and we just should wait for this one to do its work for 1000 requests per second, and we still have the connectivity to this target. That's wonderful. Just set this one and see what happens when we actually get directory enumeration and doesn't happen to find any common directories on this one because it's so custom made page and web application, but I should find something. Fristileask. In this page we have some, we can actually use these words too: mystery guest, Unix guest, mystery, Renrock, dude, all these words. I think we can use these words too, but we need a more better word. Yeah, I think this enumeration doesn't go anywhere. Cannot find anything useful, but I'll let it go. I just waited a few more seconds or minutes and it didn't work. We are at point 200,000 and nothing is going to happen here. I just interrupted, and because it's not in our normal workplaces, it's a good idea to use a custom word list just specifically for this web application. I want to use CEWL tag to see. Yeah, this is a tool for building custom word lists across a web application for words used on this specific page, and we can actually tell it the depths of the crawling and what our minimum word can be used here. I just want to see, yeah, this is the min word and this is the depths, tag D, tag M, and the right output. I use CEWL, tag W, for example, custom.txt, tag D, for example 5, tag M, for example minimum forward list, forward words, for characters. Each word should have at least 4 characters. And another thing here, user agent, no words, groups, meta, and yeah, that's it. I just provide the actual URL here. And let that go and build it. Just build it so fast. There you go, custom.txt, 41 custom words specifically for this one. And let's just see what we have here. We have words used on this page. Yeah, that's good. So let's use our FOF, this one, but with our custom word list here. Our custom word list is custom.txt, custom.txt, and see what happens. Nothing happens here. Maybe we just let's tweak our CW and say minimum 3 words, and that's it. It's actually 49 words this time, and TCP, PSP, just generated another word list for us. Maybe this one works. No, it doesn't. It just doesn't go good. Okay, what we have here is actually, it says that it should be doable in 4 hours. We should get that serious, and maybe it's actually 4 hours to find out what to do with this one. I just used every words here. Maybe this one works, but it's a lot of work. But let me see. Yeah. Just find and replace every @ sign with nothing, and this one it just nothing, and there's every space with just a new line, just like this one. And let's add to our list a little bit more. We found 2 other images here. I think maybe it's helpful for us. And this one. This is not the URL. You were looking for memgenerator.net. Memgenerator. And we put words mem. Yeah. Mem generator. Mem generator. Generator. And URL. The URL word is common, and we had that in our previous word list, but I just used this one here. Keep calm and drink Fristi. I use all of these words. Keep calm, drink Fristi, and actually this is our word list. Just made it just by hand manually. Let's copy this one and make another word list. Manual.txt. Yeah, this one might be useful for us. So we use the same command, but this may be useful for our enumeration using manual.txt. Yeah, that's right. This is Fristi. We just found the right word here. Just Fristi. Keep calm and drink Fristi. This is our motto. We could use the word motto too, but the word Fristi, it's a new directory here. Let me see. Fristi. That's it. This is the admin portal. Welcome to Fristileask. And this is quite interesting that a word just Fristi didn't find a common word. This is and CEWL just couldn't found it because this is in a picture. But this was so amazing for me to find this. Let me see what's going on this page here. We need to clean this up for production. I'll leave some junk in here to make testing easier. A comment by Easy Peasy. Yeah. Everything in this crazy CTF was nothing. Maybe a user. Easy Peasy. That's right. And welcome to, what is this? It's quite base 64 image here. Yeah, and another base 64 here. Go to data, and we can go for SQL injection and those payloads here, but this is quite interesting for me. In the meantime, we can pause here, Fristileask and use our previous word list. Actually do our poster here and the medium here, one here, and let's see what happens. Uploads, we found uploads, and this one should be noted. We found uploads. No, this is just no. Yeah. But let the files go, and we have this one here, base64 encoded data here. I just put this one, new one. This is like that, and let's go and decode this one. Let's decode this one to base64 tag D, and yeah, this is a PNG image. We can use this base64 to reveal another image, and in order to do that, we just need to use this one. Yeah, this is quite interesting. Image PNG base64 and our base64 data. Just is this one here. I've just downloaded something. Okay, look at this. This image is This language is not known by me, but it's actually so fun that the image has this content. So fuzzing like this one doesn't work, maybe, but I just interrupted, and so we found an image here. It's perfect. There's a string here. We keep it and don't touch it yet, but for doing this one here, I just use simple command injection payloads. Wrong user or password here. Different payloads, maybe get different results. No, wrong user and password, just repeat it here. Admin portal, admin, no, 1, 2, 3, no. Let's inspect the page and see when we log in. There's a post request here, and it says username, password, submit, login. We can just brute force this page. And for user admin, but we do it later if we didn't find anything interesting again. It doesn't have any mechanism to actually prevent us from brute forcing the page. No captcha and no prevention mechanism, no random data, nothing. It just sends the actual payload here and no session. That's good. So let me think that we just easy peasy. We found this one on comments on this page. easy peasy. And maybe this is the username, easy peasy 123. No. Wrong user and password. Yeah. But we have this image too. And as I can see, this one here, we see that it's KE, capital K, KE, KK, KK, EK, KE, KK, EK. I just write the actual string in the image here. And let's try easy peasy with this password. Maybe it's working. Yeah, that was quite silly at this CTF. Why is it like this? Yeah, this password just works with user easy peasy. We just write down everything we see in our past, and this is just crazy. Yeah. Okay, we go here and we have a successful login. We can upload the file, load file. We go to upload.php here. Yeah. Another good fuzz and directory enumeration is to fuzz for every page which ends with .php, but we go for that. We have two more things in our basket. Things strong, things to do. One is brute forcing. Brute forcing. The login page for user admin, and another one is to directory fuzzing with the PHP extension. Actually, it's not directory fuzzing, file any that PHP file we can find on the target. So let me think that what we can do here. We can upload an image. Yeah, we can do that. But what kind of image can we upload? Does this one prevent us from uploading PHP files or some kind of whitelisting? We can find out. Just let's go to desktop directory and make some files which could be uploaded on this target. Just use a test.php file. Yeah, test.php file, and let me upload test.php. Upload. Sorry, it's not a valid file. Only allowed are PNG, JPG, and GIF. Sorry, file not uploaded. Okay, we can bypass this one if we can upload the appropriate file. Let me use test.php.png and touch test.png.php. And I want to use this one, png.php. So it's not valid file, only allowed are PNG, JPG, GIF, and php.png. Uploading. Yeah, this is just interesting that we can upload our files, and php.png just bypasses the prevention here. /uploads. We have a /uploads here. Uploads. Fristileask. uploads. No. Okay, we can find out, but we can prepare our payload to send to the server. I can use this plugin here and go to PHP reverse shells, put our IP here. Yeah. 189.129. This is our IP address from this interface, and I just put this IP address here, port 4444, and we can copy the pentest monkey reverser from here and copy this one. Shell.php.png, and just put that here and tag 20 from shell. Let's correctly put our IP address here. I just run this one from here and let me upload this one to the site. Shell PHP PNG. Just get uploaded, and we can navigate to this one from uploads. Uploads shell.php.png, and if we do this, we should get the reverse shell here. I do that, and yes, this is a reverse shell that we got from file upload, and it was quite interesting to get this one. So this is our ID from user Apache, and we want to actually get our privileges escalated from here. So okay, we can just navigate our work from here and see what's going on this server. I use cat etc chrome tab, no chrome job here. We have admin, easy peasy, and Fristileask here. Yeah, Python tag C, import pty, pty.spawn, stabilize our shell here. And this one here, export term equals xterm. I just send it background, echo. Let me do this stdy, tag A, stdy, raw tag echo, and fg, stdy, rows 31, and columns should be 148. That's it. It just stabilizes our shell, and you can see it from here. No, we cannot see admin. Easy peasy. Is readable, word readable. Unless easy peasy. Oh, we just got a lot of files here. I see notes.txt, cd, notes.txt, you easy. I made it possible for you to do some automated checks, but I did only allow you access to USR bean star system binaries. I did, however, copy a few extra often needed commands to my home dir. Yeah. Jerry, user. Jerry says don't forget to specify the full path for each binary. Just put a file called run this in /temp each line one command, the output goes to the file cron result in /temp. It should run every minute with my account privileges. So the users on this system are easy peasy, admin, Fristileask, and Fristi. Fristi has no login. Fristileask, admin, easy peasy. So what else do we have here? We have notes.txt from here. Yes, don't forget to specify the full path for each binary. That's right, we don't have subtitle. Yeah, that's right. So from notes.txt, what can we understand? I need to read it once again. I made it possible for you to do some automated tasks, yeah, automated checks, but I did only allow you access to USR bean. Yeah, there's a whole lot of files here. Sorry, Python. Yeah, we have USR bean. Yeah. We can access USR bean system binaries. I did, however, copy a few extra often needed commands to my home dir. This is good from home admin, but unfortunately we cannot see home admin. Yeah. Don't forget to specify the full path for each binary. Okay, just put a file called run this in /tmp, each line one command. So we should create a file run this in /tmp, one command, each line, and outputs goes to file cron result in /tmp. It should run every minute with my account privileges. So the admin user has provided us binaries on this directory, USR bean, and we should make a file run this /tmp, each line one command, and the output will go to cron result, the exact same directory. So what we have here, we have USR bean. So if we look at USR bean, we have Python. Yeah, we have this one. We should have Perl. We have this one too. And no, not this one. Hashbug, no. But we have two interesting binaries, Python and Perl. If we put our second reversal and run this file in the /tmp, and as it says, it runs every minute, maybe we can get another reversal, this time with admin user privileges. So let's go to tmp and actually maybe, yeah, we have nano here. These run these, we can do that. Nano run these. Yeah, we can put our reversal here, but let's generate that one too. reversals.com. We can get our reversal in Python and Perl. I just use first time using Python 2 and put our IP address here. It's this IP address from previous search and 45555 and just copy this one from here, and let me think. Put this one, but it says don't forget to specify the full path for each binary. Yeah. So if we go here and use, okay, let me copy this another one. Copy this one here. This is, it should be just USR in Python, and a one-liner. Yeah, that's good. Copy all of this and copy. We can go to run this and put this one here. That's perfect. That's good, and we can go here and see tag LP5555 and see if we get any reversal within a minute ourselves. USRB in Python, just a one-liner. Yeah, you just get another reversal from here or not. You just should wait for 1 minute and see what happens here. Yeah, use upon system. I did hardware copy a few extra. Okay, we should put our command run this in /tmp. We just did that. Yeah, that's it. We just get the reverse shell, another reverse shell from, yeah, from the victim, but this one we are user admin and we have admin privileges, so that was quite interesting to do this. Home, we are at home admin, sudo tag L. We don't have the username here. I just messed it up. Just using Ctrl+C doesn't. Yeah, just wait for another 1 minute. I should just stabilize my shell and then use Ctrl+C to intercept. Yeah, to just get it. Yeah, Python tag C, import pty. Pty spawn /bin bash. If we get our shell here, that's it. Support term equals xterm, stdy tag a, stdy raw echo fg, stdy rows 31, columns. Yeah, that's our stabilized shell. From here we are just /home admin. If now I just use Ctrl+C, nothing happens and we have the shell too. So in home admin directory we have a few commands. As it says in notes, I just put chmod, gfcat. You can use in home directory, and we have this one here, cronjob.py. We have some .pys here. Let me, we just get a, I think, base 64, but it's not in a correct format. which we got now.txt, and we have this one, crypt pass, crypted pass. We have a crypted pass here. This one looks like a base 64. Let me see if I can actually decode this one. No. And we have cronjob.py and cryptpass.py, two Python files to do two different jobs, maybe. Cronjob.py. In cronjob.py, we import OS, cron result. Yeah, that's the actual Python command that does the actual thing that we did previously. It's just write this one, run this, it opens run this, for every line, just reads it and execute this one. So with this cronjob.py, we could escalate our privileges to admin, and now we have cryptpass.py, at cryptpass.py, and this one should be responsible for cryptography, what we saw in Who is Your God Now and cryptedpass.txt. Maybe cryptedpass is a better example. It just imports base64 codexes, encode the string, just a function, gives str, a base64 string, it just encodes a base64, encode it and put this value on this variable, return codex.encode base64 string ROT13. Yeah, you just use ROT13 to use this algorithm for rotate it and just give it back. So if we run Python cryptpass.py and give it just anything, it does this one too. So ROT and then a base64 encode. Fortunately, this method of encrypting can be reversed, and we just need to reverse the actual encryption and to decrypt the first string. So we do it in reverse, and we just use ROT and then base64 decode for finding out what's in cryptedpass.txt. Cryptedpass.txt. Yeah, we just give it as an input, ROT on it, and then base64 decode it. So let's begin our work, and I want to copy the actual Python code from here. And just let's write the reverse order of it. So first we have import base64, we just port it again. We have def here, I call it decode the string. It first base64 encoded and then ROT. We should just do the reverse. I use this one here. It has one tab, yeah. And let's call it decode equals code.decode the str, what we get from user, and then use this one. And what we want to return is to codex.encode Yeah, decode. No, sorry. What we want to return is this one. Base 64 string. No, just want to return base 64, B64 and decode. And let's just give it the actual one here, crypto result, encode string. I want to put this one here, and yeah, we should call this one from here. Decoded a string. This is good, and after that we just want to print code string. This is the reverse code of the above code, and if we use touch decode.py, yeah, now decode.py, and just put it here, Python. If we give it the string provided here, Python, yeah, Python decode.py and the string, yeah, it just works perfectly. We give the actual encrypted string and it gives back the original text. So we have, let me think, we have crypted path here. So we use Python, our written Python file, the decryption, and I just provide this one, and that just works fine. This is also PW123. We have this decrypted password from the file crypted path, and I put it in my notes. It's just a crazy city. And we had another, who is your god now. And maybe this one works just fine with doing decode.py and providing this string to it. Yeah, that works too. Let there be Fristy. This is another string from here. And that's just right. Let me think that we can do. We have admin, we had Fristy God and Fristy. We can switch to these. This was for the last one, who is your god, gave us this. Let there be Fristy, who is your god. As actually, who is your god? Let there be. Let me think. I just got confused. Who is your god? We got this one, and we get let there be Fristy. So Fristy god, SU. SU Fristy god. I'm providing the password. Let there be Fristy. Yeah, we are just Fristy god here, and what we can do with Fristy god is to do-com. We can use do-com and become user Fristy. If we go to user Fristy, with this password. What happens? No, it's not right. So let me see that what is this binary here. Yeah, everyone can execute it, and docom. What does docom do? Everyone can read it. So get this one. Now that's useful here. Let me see the strings. Set UID, exit system, and nice try, but wrong user. What does docom do? We can use var Fristileask, and we have Fristileask in a /home, cd /home, Fristileask dot secret admin stuff, dot secret admin stuff, Fristileask /var Fristileask. Fristileask, what we have here. We have bash history and secret admin stuff here. Let me see what is in /var Fristileask bash history. Yeah, we have something here. We have ls, pw, docom test, sudo ls, exit, sudo tag u. Just the commands in his bash history is using docom to actually run binaries as user Fristi. Yeah, this is interesting. So if we use this command, what happens? I just use this command here. Yeah, that's interesting. We can use docom binary to actually run commands as user Fristi /root, and that's quite interesting. But so we can docom cat root Fristileask secrets.txt, and that's it. Congratulations on beating Fristileask. I wonder if you beat it in the maximum 4 hours. Hopefully it didn't took 4 hours. It's supposed to take. Shout out to people of Fristileask, and flag, you know you love Fristi. No, I hate Fristi. That was crazy and mind-blowing CTF. So much tips and tricks along our path, and as you can see that it wasn't easy, but the more creative should be the first page. Actually, we had problems finding this directory Fristi, but actually writing the actual content of the page of the site, we could reveal that we can find the proper Fristi. CEWL didn't find it because the actual word used was in an image, but actually it was quite interesting for me to solve this Fristileask CTF from Vulnhub, and I loved it. I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.